And congratulations, the music has been very well received. Were you expecting that?
Yes, we were expecting that.
I think if that wouldn't have happened, we would have been really heartbroken. Regardless of whether we are a part of this song or not, but it's one of the most melodious songs to be heard in ages.
Absolutely.
Right. And about your characters, Akash and Shruti, I heard about it a while back. What was the most challenging part while playing them?
I think also the fact that we played with the age groups. I think, as you've seen, we played the teenage part.
Oh yes, you start right there.
Yes, right there. So I had to cut my fringe. So that's not really a fake pattern.
She really cried. When
Is
she had
it?
to do the
Oh.
16-year-old and
I
she had
don't
to
like
cut her
fidgeting
hair.
much with my hair.
So it wasn't a wig, you really
wasn't
did
a
it.
wig. I really had to do it. And every time they would be, every time she'd say, patchwork. Till today, they're not doing.
Oh my god.
Like that.
And it takes forever to come.
Yeah.
So you guys have shot at some really beautiful places in India. How was that? Ladakh and I think North.
Ladakh and Kalpa, which is, I'm sure I think you're familiar with Shimla. and all.
Of course, yes.
It's 8-9 hours ahead of Shimla. So yeah, I think had a great time shooting there. I think no, I'm just lying. No, didn't have a great time.
No.
shooting there. It was
Must
so
be
good.
cold, yeah,
You know,
exactly.
You know, she always says that shooting a romantic film is the most unromantic experience ever.
I agree.
Yeah, because what you're seeing here is like maybe a really romantic frame, there's snow falling, there's
Right.
rain happening, but what is happening niche and after the shot,
No one knows.
The most weird sight, somebody standing with a blanket, somebody standing with a cigri, somebody's putting some muffler on my head. I don't know, it's very
So you literally run under the blanket after it's all done.
Absolutely. If we could run, whatever the high speed shot in the snow, we could run to.
And I believe the tables have turned now. You probably had to do a shirtless shot in that temperature, is that right?
yeah, so I was the glamour in the film.
Yeah, he was a glamour in the film.
And of course, we've seen both of you, in fact, grow and proliferate from television. And it is so nice to see you prosper up till here on the big screen. How has the journey been for you if you had to choose between one ever? What would it be?
I don't think so. It's about the choice that we make. About it. We work hard towards getting better and better, but it's always the choice that audiences make.
That's true.
If they like me to perform on the street for them, I'll perform on the street for them. If they like me to perform on the stage, I'll do it on stage. If they like me to perform on the small screen, I'll do it on small screen. I've done it on all three mediums.
True.
And now they're liking me on the big screen, so I'm doing it for them on the big screen. It's the core is to entertain the audience. That's it.
Well, inshallah, we hope it continues. Yami, what about you?
No, I think anybody who associates yourself with the salad days of your career when you're a nobody is always very special. And I think television gave me that opportunity, hand-holding me and actually literally like guiding me. I didn't even know what's a mark or what's makeup, what's anything. I had no idea. So I'll always be, I think, I'll always have a lot of respect for television. And we went back, I think, to promote. We need television as much as, it's the other way around.
True.
But I think having said that, of course, we all evolve with time. We all
True.
grow with time. And I've always believed in giving voice to my choices in terms of the creative aspect and doing work which I love doing. So I'm really happy where I am. Really
Well,
happy.
we are very happy to see you on both screens, and we hope you continue to entertain us.
Thank you so much.